Hip idioms. British.com. Joined at the hip. Two people who are always together and closely connected are described as being joined at the hip. If you want to find Sarah, look for John. They're joined at the hip.
Note: this idiom comes from cases of Siamese twins who are joined together at birth by various parts of their bodies.
Such twins can never be apart unless separated by surgery. Knee idioms. British.com. Fall on your knees.
To give an extravagant display of praise or adoration is to fall to your knees. Even with the incredible asking price for their new smartphone, the company still expects their loyal customers to fall to their knees in admiration. Note: in days past, it was common to show your respect to those of higher social status by getting down on your knees before them. The greater the difference in status, the faster you fell to your knees, lest you be punished for not doing so.
Knee deep in. When you're knee deep in, or up to your knees in something, you're extremely busy with it. I've been up to my knees in paperwork all week. Brought to your knees. To defeat, destroy, or badly damage something is to bring it to its knees. The tanker driver strike brought the country to its knees. On bended knee. When you're humbly pleading for something like a servile servant, you're on bended knee.
If she expects me to come to her on bended knee and ask for forgiveness, she can think again.
The bee's knees. To describe something as the bee's knees is to say that it is of very high quality or otherwise excellent. I must say that the stakes here are the bee's knees. Go weak at the knees.
If you feel you might fall down because of a sudden emotional reaction to someone or something, we say you've gone weak at the knees. The very thought of being in the same room as him made me go weak at the knees.
A knee-jerk reaction.
A knee-jerk reaction is a sudden unthinking and emotional response to something. The government's new knife laws are a knee-jerk reaction to that incident last week. Note: doctors test a patient's reflexes by tapping below the knee with a rubber hammer to observe the knee-jerk reaction over which the patient has no control.